back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details provided, including information about the cuisine, amenities, local food, and dietary options. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and ages, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. Room category seventh. Category eighth. Room category 9. Room category 10th. Room category 11th. Category 12th. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, different categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is first class and guests can really enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts usual credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 12 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end.